Question: What is the currency of Ghana? The correct answer is option C, CD. Question: What is the currency of Lebanon? The correct answer is option C, pound. Question: What is the currency of Syria? The correct answer is option A, pound. Question: What is the currency of Chile? The correct answer is option A, peso. Question: What is the currency of Peru? The correct answer is option C, sol. Question: What is the currency of Colombia? The correct answer is option B, peso. Question: What is the currency of Hungary? The correct answer is option A, forint. Last question is, what is the currency of Poland? The correct answer is option B, zloty. The Polish zloty PLN is the currency of Poland.